Hello, my name is Tarek. In this lecture, we will see how we can evaluate the postfix expression. In the last lecture, we converted the infix expression into the postfix form, and we also implemented the solution. Uh, in this lecture, we will see the strategy. How can we implement the uh, postfix evaluation, and how this tag can be utilized in order to solve this problem. So let's start now. Uh, okay, so we know we have operators and we have operands. So each operator in the postfix expression refers to the previous two operands. Each time we read an operand, we push it into the stack. So what will happen is, whenever we will read an operand, we will simply push that into the stack. And the second part is the operator. We just have two things, the operator and the operands, no brackets, because we know that postfix expression is brackets free. So when we reach an operator, we push the operator, we pop the two operands from the top of the stack and apply the operator and push the result back to the stack. So it's so simple, right? We will push the two operators from the top of the stack, two operands from the top of the stack, and apply the operator and then push the result back to the stack. And this process will give us the final result. We will keep on repeating the process till we get the final result. Okay, so it's not that much hard, it's so simple. Now we have an postfix expression here: 623 plus minus 382 divide plus multiply 2. This is the exponentiation form. Right now I'm representing it with the upper arrow, and we have 3 and plus. So now the input, we have input value, an input string, and operator 1, operator 2, then the result, then the value, and the stack, right? So first value is an operand. We'll push that into the stack, and the input means the value that we are getting from this expression, right? Okay, so now we have 2. Now the next input is 2, and we have pushed that 2 into the stack. It's simple. Now 3, we have pushed the 3 into the stack. Okay, now we have plus operator. So what we will do, we will pop two operands from the stack. So we have popped 2 and 3. And we will apply the operator. When we will apply the operator 2 and 3, we will get the result 5, and then we will push this result back to the stack. In the same way, now we have operator minus. Now we will push the pop the two operators or two operands from the stack, that is 6 and 5, and when we will apply the minus operator in between, we will get the answer 1, and we have pushed the answer back to the stack. Right, it's not very complicated, but honestly it's not at all complicated. It's just a simple step we need to follow. Okay, now we have 3 as an input, and we have pushed that 3 into the stack. Again, we have 8, we have pushed the 8 into the stack. Okay, we have 2 also, we have pushed the 2 also into the stack, and at the top of the stack we have 2, then we have 8, and then 3, and then 1. Okay, now we have the division operator. So the first, you will have 8 and 2. We will pop these two, and then we will apply the division. 8 divided by 2, the answer is 4. We have pushed the 4 into the stack. Then we have plus, and the two operands are 3 and 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. We have pushed the 7 back to the stack. Then we have multiplication sign, we have two operands, 1 and 7, 1 sorry 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we will add them, we will get 7, and then we have 7, we have 1 and 7, and we will apply the multiplication operator, we will get 7. 1 multiplied by 7 is 7. Then we have 2, we have pushed that into the stack, and we have 7 and 2. Okay, now we have the exponentiation operator. So it means that the power of the value. So 7 power 2 is equals to 49, because 7 into 7 is equal to 49. So we have pushed the answer back to the stack. Then we have 3. Now the stack value is 49 and 3, and addition operator in the last, and then the result is 52. So as you can see that evaluation of the postfix expression is not a very complicated process. With the help of a stack, it has become just a piece of cake for us. So in the next lecture we will implement this, the postfix expression, and I hope you've understood the process. Thank you for watching.